So today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano i-play ang In My Life by Beatles. So, start tayo guys sa intro. So sa intro, ito, second string, second fret, tutunogin natin. Pagkatapos, first string, fifth fret. Yan. Pang ganito. Yan. At pagkatapos ay tutunogin natin yung balik tayo sa second string, second fret, second string ulit, third fret, second string, fifth fret, at first string, fourth fret. Again. Second string, second fret, second string, third fret, second string, fifth fret, at first string, fourth fret. Yan. So, ganito. Again. So, paano yun? So, ipiplay natin, open string, 6th fret. Apat. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, parang ganito. Again. So, yon ang intro ng In My Life by Beatles. Again. Saka, papasok na yung first verse. There's some places I remember all my life. Though some have changed, some forever, not for better. Some have gone, and some remain. So, yun lang guys, no? So, kung nagustuhan niyo yung video na to, paki-hit ng notification bell at paki-follow ng channel ko. Maraming salamat!